The best cure for eczema is this all-natural body butter. To make our body butter, you're going to need half a cup raw shea butter, half cup coconut oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 30 drops of lavender oil, 8 drops of Teatree essential oil, a double boiler, a mixer, and a mason jar. To begin, using the double boiler or a pan, melt the shea butter and coconut oil until they're combined. Add the 1 tablespoon of honey and stir. Once everything is blended, add the 30 drops of lavender oil and 8 drops of tea tree oil. You can also add 5 drops of myrrh, but that's optional. Continue to blend. Slightly cool the mixture in the refrigerator for a few minutes, but don't let it get too hard. Using your mixer, mix for about 10 minutes until it's the consistency of lotion. Once you're all finished, transfer your body butter to a mason jar and store it at room temperature.